Jumble between number 10 and number 22, Morello. Top by Morello. 16 on the shot clock. Bounce pass to Morello, the big man. 13 to shoot. To the basket. Theo drop. The first basket, Morello. Then Gomez. To the right side. 12 to shoot. Kicks out. Wide open. Fires. Bang! Hit three. Cross-court pass. Back to Belga. 10 to shoot. Spin. Morello for the T-drop. Use the board. The entry pass for the T-drop. No good. A lead pass to Belga. Isolation. Lace up. Yes, it is. Recover the ball, number 5. To Belga. Brings down the ladder, dribbling the ball. Sway. Slicing the middle. Penetrate. Yes, it is. What a nice play by Belga. 3 to shoot. 24 shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Fires. No. Offensive rebound. Timban. Yes, it is. Fires. No. Rebound one, number 22, Morello, the big man. Quick pass. Soriano. Running jumper. Bingo. 10 on the shot clock. Makahilas fires. No. Offensive rebound. Kicks out. Number 10 is slicing. Drop pass to the basket. Number 4. A bounce pass to Briones. To the right side. Wrong pass. Recover the ball. Duhale. All the way to the basket. Makes it for 2. 14 to 5. Favor of Malay. For the inbound. Bounce pass to the basket. A basket is count plus a foul. Possible for 3 points. No. Father naman siya ball. To the basket, slicing. Drop pass, fall of Jane. Number 27, no. Rebound one to Morello. Number 17, all the way to the basket. Yes, it is. Now Gomez, number 10. Kicks out. Number 12, fall of Jane. So strong. Makes it for 2. Loriano. To Morello. Isolation to the basket. Whistle sounded. Ito free throws in first to Morello. Yes, it is. Second draw. Makes it. Makige to number 10. Blind stolen. Lead pass to Morello. Number 17. Slice in the middle. Penetrate. Basket is count plus a foul. Warning for penalty. A bully shot off the mark. 15 on the shot clock. Kicks out. Fall of Jane. No. Rebound 1. Brings down the other, number 2. Isolation to the basket. Makes it for 2. 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. Kicks out. Fires. Bang! Hit 3. 20-25. The entry pass. Black ball, go defense. 15 on the shot clock. To the basket. Loriano. 10 seconds. Bang! Hit 3. A ball position of Malay. To the basket, Morello slicing. No. Rebound 1. Brings down the ladder, top of the key. Slice in the middle. To the basket. And merong whistle. And the first throw, Macolales, number 19. Yes, it is. Makes it. To number 9, Duhale. Wide open, fires. Nugget. Offensive rebound, follow-up, number 7. A bully shot possible for 3 points. Javier aims in fire. Yes, it is. Cross-court pass to Javier, number 7. Attacking, entry pass. Morello to the basket, no. Follow-up. Basket is count plus a foul. Makes it. 8 to shoot. Kicks out. To the basket. Stolen. Quick pass to Javier, number 7. All the way, your step. To the basket. Yes, it is. To Soriano. 12 on the shot clock. Whistle sound. Unsports like man foul. Escalona in the first throw. Yes, it is. Second to the last straw. Makes it. Soriano cross-court pass. Signaling the play. 12 on the shot clock. Fires. No. Check the ball. Quick pass to Gomez. 1-in-1 to the basket. Penetrate left-handed. Yes, it is. Ball position of Malay. Brings down the ladder. Back to number 5. Dribbling the ball. Soriano. 12 on the shot clock. Attacking. Acrobatic. Yes, it is. That is Soriano. Nacionales. 8 to shoot. 5 on the shot clock. Acrobatic. Number 10. Isolation to the basket. Use the board. Nugget. Rebound on Beska. Quick pass. Stolen. Kick the ball. Belga makes it for 2. 7 on the shot clock. Fires. Too strong. 3 to shoot. Teardrop. Duhala. 10 on the shot clock. To the left side. Beska. 10 seconds. Bang. Green. The entry pass. 8 to shoot. Fires. No. Rebound on the big man Morello. Quick pass to the basket. Belga. Nacionalis to the basket. Number 10. Lace up. Whistle sounded. Aims and fire. No. Kick the ball out of bounds. 8 to shoot. 5 on the shot clock. 4 to shoot. Fires. Belga dribbling the ball in front court. Cross court pass. Fires number 4. So strong. Morello for the follow-up. 17 on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. The entry pass. Yes, it is. And fire. Yes, it is. What a put back. No. Rebound 1. Laureano. Soriano lead pass to Morello. Whistle sounded. In the first draw. Mike set. Bounce pass Nacionalis. Signal in the play. Low post pass to number 12. Kicks out. Ball of J. Bang! We're 3. Rebound 1. Number 4. Baseball pass. Stolen. To Morello. Wide open. Fires. Whistle sounded. A 3-point play in the first draw. Makes it. And second draw. Makes it again. Last draw. Morello. Yes, it is. Belga in control. Lead pass to the left side. Number 2. Low post pass to Laureano. Kicks out. Belga fall of J. Bang! A long 2. Soriano dribbling the ball. Belga fires. In and out. Follow up Laureano. To Gomez, number 10, Sway. Slice in the middle to the basket. Teardrop. Nugget. Rebound 1. Soriano baseball pass. Belga all the way. Makes it for 2. Number 10. Check the ball. The entry pass. Fakes to the basket. Number 12, stretching. He connects for 2. The entry pass. Spin to the basket. Laureano. No. Rebound 1. Shot clock is up. 13 seconds. Yes, it is. Top of the key hall. Cross-court pass. Number 10, Gomez. To number 0. Back to Gomez. 14 on the shot clock. The entry pass to the basket. Gomez makes it for 2. Soriano Sway. 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Morello. Teardrop. Makes it for 2. In 7 minutes and 38. Fall of J. Bang! We're 3. 14 on the shot clock. Low post pass to number 22, the big man to the basket. 12 to shoot. Cross-court pass, Magbanwa to the basket. Morello. Number 27, Numancio ball. Cross-court pass. 8 on the shot clock. Blind pass to the basket. Black ball, good defense. 2 to shoot. 24 shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 4 to shoot. To the basket. Laysa Magbanwa. 10 to shoot. 8 on the shot clock. To the basket. Soriano. To the playing point guard. Back to contest. Wall of J, number 24. Bang! With 3. In the front court. 16 on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. At kay Honorable Governor Jose Enrique Miraflores Sanchez, Wall of J. Bang! Dribbling ball, number 5, Soriano. 14 on the shot clock. Wall of J. Yes, it is. Long pass fires. Bang! Fires. Bang! It rings.